This is how I like it. You walk in, you walk out, you get the sneakers. This was so easy.
It don't really matter what you say. I ain't listening to you anyway.
We are back with another video, another Saturday morning. There are so many sneaker releases this morning. Oh my god, like there are the Pharrells that technically came out yesterday, but there's like 30 pairs of Pharrells. There are Yeezy boots. There are the LeBron John Elliott's, and then there's the pair of shoes that we're going for right now. Make sure to smash that like button if you haven't already, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. But I cannot remember a weekend with this many sneakers. Like, it's just so many sneaker releases. Before we can pick up any of them though, I do need to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Privacy. First thing you need to know about Privacy, it's 100% free, costs you zero money, absolutely free to use. Did I mention it's 100% free? Now, you guys are asking, Tom, what is Privacy? How do I use Privacy? Why should I sign up for Privacy? I buy a lot of stuff online, you buy a lot of stuff online, let's be serious, we all buy a lot of stuff online, and lots of times your bank information, your credit card information is not safe. I don't know if you've ever been scammed online, but I got my credit card stolen online once, and some dude in Queens spent $400 at a Papa John's with my credit card information. Now, I know credit card security isn't the sexiest thing to talk about, except Privacy makes it really easy and honestly sort of fun. They create virtual credit cards for you that are free to use. Did I mention this is all free? And are 100% safe. They make sure that your banking information and your real credit card information doesn't get to the other side of whatever retailer you're shopping at. So it can work a couple of different ways. Either you can sign up for a credit card that only works at one merchant. So let's say you want to spend a bunch of money at Yeezy Supply, but you don't want your card information to be used for people to spend $400 at Papa John's. Well, simple and easy. Did I mention this is also free? Privacy will make you a card that only works at YeezySupply.com. Or my favorite product that they have is their burner cards, where you can create a credit card, a virtual credit card that only works once. Let's say you want to sign up for a subscription, or you're ordering off a website you're not very comfortable with giving your information to. This credit card will work for your first purchase and then cancel itself 2 minutes after the first transaction on that card, so you don't need to worry about annoying subscriptions charging you every month, or a website that you don't 100% trust getting your information. Super easy to use. I would 100% recommend it. I mean, it's free. So thank you to Privacy for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click that link in the description. Check out Privacy. It's 100% free. Let's get back to the video. Okay, I'm a huge idiot and forgot my SD card sitting in the car when I went into the mall, so that was all filmed on my phone. But we got the shoes. I was literally the only person that walked in for that. I mean, I know they're not limited. I know they're not hyped up. But come on, I was the only person? That's a little bit surprising. Okay, I realized that I didn't actually say what pair of shoes this is. You can see Jordan box, Jordan 3. I think we can all figure it out from here. It is the Jordan 3, and I hate to say this, I just want to put this out here before I pull these out of the box. I'm a huge Celtics fan. I do not support the New York Knicks in any way, shape, or form. I love New York as a city, but I can't support the Knicks. I'm a Celtics fan. Yes, I feel a little bit icky about buying these. I'm sorry, Boston. I'm really, really sorry. I mean, I had to do it. These shoes look so nice. They are indeed the Jordan 3 Knicks. I am still a big fan of the shoes though, so what we're going to do on today's video is if we can hit 2,000 likes, I'm going to give away a pair of these. They're sitting at my store, so any size you want, I'm giving away a pair of these for someone that follows me on Instagram and comments their Instagram handle down below. So hit that like button. When we hit 2,000 likes, I'll scroll through the comments. You can comment as many times as you want, and then I'll choose someone, I'll hit you up on Instagram, and I'll ship you out a pair of these. Just make sure you're following me on Instagram Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. Oh, okay, now that that's off my chest, let's take a look at these shoes. I bought these just because this is a really, really nice classic color scheme of a pair of Jordan 3s. I could care less that they're Knicks themed. In fact, you know what? The fact that they're Knicks themed sort of takes a little bit away from them. I'd much rather, I mean, I don't know what I'd much rather. I'm not a Knicks, I'm just putting this out here, not a Knicks fan. Anytime you hit me with a white leather upper, some basic color blocking on the midsole and sock liner, and some gray elephant print or cement print on the mudguard and on the heel, I am going to be sold on a pair of Jordan 3s. I mean, it's just such a classic color blocking scheme, and this could have easily been a retro that came out 20 years ago by now. Like, this is just something that seems timeless, something that seems like an old school colorway. Because some of the colorways that Jordan Brand cooks up these days are just extremely subpar and don't really hold their weight against some of the old school classic colorways. In my opinion, I think this one does. When you get a close-up look at these, they're absolutely gorgeous. I think this is a great summer shoe, and I wish they would have released them in June or even May so people could have worn them throughout the summer. Releasing them in September when we're getting into fall and winter, a white Jordan, I mean, doesn't seem like the best idea. I'm still happy they released it, but I think it would have been a better summer or spring sneaker. I mean, I do understand their logic. They want to release them for the upcoming NBA season because there are so many Knicks fans that are excited about the upcoming. If you're a Knicks fan, I know the Celtics had a rough time last year, but if you're a Knicks fan, I personally apologize to you, and you have my sympathy. It must be so rough being a Knicks fan. Just, no one wears Knicks jerseys in New York anymore. Like, I haven't seen a Knicks jersey in New York. Definitely not last time I was there. I 100% saw 0 Knicks jerseys in New York. I mean, like, who wants to they're just bad. I don't want to rag on the Knicks though. That's not what we're here to do. We're here to take a look at this pair of shoes. So the leather is actually pretty good. I took the shoehorn out so you can like really feel and like push around the leather. It's not like a premium leather, but it's pretty good. It's gonna crease up nice and natural looking. It's not gonna be stiff. I remember like back in 2013, some of the Jordan leather that they had was just so plasticky that it creased in the grossest way possible and just did not look very good. The colors are great. They're really vibrant, especially the blue on the inside. And they also did switch up the material. Oh, I didn't know this. Okay, so I don't pay attention to stuff like this, so I honestly just found this right now. They have the dates 04, 08, 1988 on the back of the tongue, so my math tells me that that is April 8th, 1988. I'm not a Jordan historian. I mean, I'm 23 years old. I was not alive in 1988. I was not even a thought in my parents' head in 1988. So I don't know what Jordan did in the Garden in 1988, but I'm assuming he did something extremely impressive in Madison Square Garden, April 8th, 1988, that they're commemorating this shoe towards. But the colors are great. The inside sock liner, as I was saying, is a very different material from what you're used to. Now, one thing I don't like about Jordan 3s and Jordan 4s for that matter is your sock lint gets stuck to the inside of them. It's just the material, you get sock lint all over. This material isn't going to have that happen. I don't know what fabric you'd want to call this, but it's a material where you won't get the sock lint stuck to the inside of your shoe, which I think is great. And I really appreciate the colors, as I said, are amazing on it though. The bottom, look at the colors on the bottom. It is just such a great looking pair of shoes. Like, I'm really surprised that these were not a little bit more popular. I did not expect these to sell out by any means, but I was sort of expecting at least a few people to be buying them on release date. Now, if you guys want to pick them up, I think they're already going for around retail on StockX. So give it a couple weeks and you can get them for below retail on StockX, or give it a couple months and you can get them for even cheaper. These are probably going to be discounted 20 to 30% if I had to guess in the next couple of months. So if you guys want to save some money, just be patient. Pick these up in November and you should be able to get them for around $150 instead of the regular $190 price tag. So if you're willing to wait, I think you guys should definitely be able to save some money, but that's just my opinion. That being said, you guys have seen these in hand, you guys have seen the close-up details of these. I just threw these on feet and wow. Wow, wow, wow. These things look so freaking good on feet.